Hey, this is Dr. Story. I'm going to show you one of my favorite fruits for the year is a pomegranate. And so what we do is we have 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 pomegranates. I'm going to show you exactly what to do. Now, the first thing you got to do is you got to get prepared. The most important thing is you're going to get a trash bag, and what you do is you're going to cut a hole in the top. I'll tell you why in a minute. And then you kind of cut a hole on the sides like so here. And what's going to happen is the most important part is I have invented, patent pending, a poncho. It's called the pomegranate poncho. And you do like this. There you go. And you protect yourself because this is going to get messy. Alright, so the best way to do this is you're going to cut it across the area, just like so, and then you cut it into fourths. That's the way I like to do it. So, then you could see all the juices starting to come out. What you're going to do is you're going to have 2 little things here. One is for the seeds, one is for the mess. Now the best way to do this is to just pop it out, not at the camera person, but down in there, and the seeds will just start popping out like this, and then you have to individually take out the seeds. What's great about pomegranates? Well, pomegranates have a tremendous amount of vitamin C, they have a tremendous amount of antioxidants, and this is good for our blood as well as our heart and various things. So basically you can see you just have to get these seeds out and take away the outside. For video purposes, I'm actually doing this in-house, but what you don't see is we've protected the floor, we've protected our table, and these things can actually stain. So most of the time, because I live in Southern California, it's always sunny outside. Usually we'll do this outside, and that way we're not concerned as much with the mess. Actually, if you get a lot of pomegranates together, you can get your kids, if you have kids, they love this because it's an easy seed to get out of the fruit, and it's actually quite fun to do this. Okay, so we're all done. This is 9 pomegranates, and you could eat them raw, like I said, do anything. The best part is you can just scoop it up with a spoon. We're all done. The seeds come out so easily, you're almost just popping them out like this, which as a chiropractor, I like popping things.